When it comes to automotive customization, Mansory is renowned for pushing the boundaries of extravagance and luxury. The latest creation to emerge from their workshop is nothing short of spectacular, a bespoke P900 Mercedes-AMG G63, transformed into a mesmerizing masterpiece reminiscent of a gleaming gold bar. Mansory's approach to automotive design is bold and unapologetic, and their treatment of the Mercedes-AMG G63 is no exception. The exterior of the vehicle is bathed in a lustrous gold finish, applied meticulously to every surface to create a seamless and eye-catching appearance. From the distinctive grille to the aggressive body lines, every detail of the G63 exudes opulence and sophistication. But it's not just the exterior that receives Mansory's Midas touch, the interior is equally impressive. Luxurious materials abound, with sumptuous leather upholstery, exotic wood trim, and carbon fiber accents adorning every surface. From the hand-stitched seats to the bespoke dashboard, no expense is spared in creating an environment of unparalleled luxury and comfort. Under the hood, the P900 Mercedes-AMG G63 packs a punch, thanks to Mansory's extensive engine modifications. The twin-turbocharged V8 engine has been tuned to produce a staggering 900 horsepower, propelling the G63 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. With its thunderous exhaust note and blistering acceleration, the P900 G63 is as exhilarating to drive as it is to behold. But performance is only part of the equation. Mansory's attention to detail extends to every aspect of the vehicle's design and engineering. Advanced suspension components, lightweight alloy wheels, and high-performance brakes ensure that the P900 G63 handles with precision and agility, even at high speeds. In addition to its performance capabilities, the P900 Mercedes-AMG G63 offers a range of advanced technology and convenience features designed to enhance the driving experience. A high-resolution infotainment system provides access to navigation, entertainment, and connectivity options, while advanced driver assistance systems help keep occupants safe and secure on the road. While Mansory's creations may divide opinion, there's no denying the craftsmanship and artistry that goes into each bespoke vehicle. The P900 Mercedes-AMG G63 is a testament to Mansory's dedication to pushing the boundaries of automotive design and engineering, creating a vehicle that is as breathtaking as it is exhilarating. In conclusion, Mansory's transformation of the P900 Mercedes-AMG G63 into a crazy gold bar is a bold statement of luxury and extravagance. With its eye-catching design, blistering performance, and sumptuous interior, the P900 G63 is a true masterpiece of automotive customization, destined to turn heads wherever it goes.